Hello everyone, welcome to Edurself. In this video, I will give you a very clear explanation about the 30 days course curriculum of digital marketing program. And the name of the institution is going to be Edurself, and in the left side you can see my image. My name is Cecile and I will be teaching the digital marketing. And also in mid of the digital marketing training, I will be inviting the experienced staff who can teach you some of the important topics of digital marketing, which will be very helpful. And our institution is located at Dilsukhnagar, Hyderabad, right beside the Dilsukhnagar metro station, which means no matter where you are in Hyderabad, if you just take the metro and if you get down in Dilsukhnagar metro station, you can only walk for 1 minute and you will be inside the institution. It is just 10 steps far from Dilsukhnagar metro station. And also if you want to enroll in next batch, you can directly call to this particular number, which is 630-161-6982. And finally, if you want to leave a feedback or suggestions, or if you want to talk to me anything, you can directly leave an email to this particular email ID. Now, as you can see, the digital marketing course has been designed in 30 days. We have divided the course curriculum in 4 different weeks. Week 1, week 2, week 3 and week 4. By the end of week 4, you are going to get complete guidance, assistance and support to get a job if you are a student, or maybe to start your own business by doing freelancing, whatever it may be. Now I want to quickly scroll till above, and then I want to start talking about the week 1, which is going to be foundational training. I know that there will be a lot of people who doesn't know what is digital marketing at all. And just to let you know, to learn digital marketing, there is no graduation required at all. If you are in between 18 years to 35 or 45 years, anytime you can learn digital marketing and you can start to make money. If you have a graduation, it will be very helpful for you to get the job. And if you do not have the graduation, you can directly start working as a freelancer, and eventually you can start your own digital marketing agency. You can start building your own business, and you can even make lakhs possible within 1 or 2 years of time. And it is 100% possible if you have the right guidance, support and the interest to learn. Now when it comes to week 1, it is all about the foundational training, which means in 7 days, even if you have zero knowledge in digital marketing, you will have a clear understanding about what is digital marketing and what benefit that you are going to get out of digital marketing. Alright, so in day 1, it is all about the introduction to digital marketing, which is very much similar to any other institution, which means here you are going to learn about the importance and scope of digital marketing, why digital marketing is very important nowadays, and what is the scope that you can expect from learning digital marketing. And also we will talk about the career opportunities. You have just completed your graduation. How are you going to get the job? What would be the packages and how you have to prepare for the interviews? And then we will talk about the course overview, which means what are you going to learn in digital marketing. Each and everything will be discussed in day 1, so that you will have a clear picture in the day 1 itself. And then in day 2, directly we will step in to understand the digital marketing basics. Now maybe some of you, even before joining the course, you will revise something related to digital marketing, right? Where you have heard about some of the key terms like SEO, SEM, SMM, email marketing, content marketing, and maybe a lot of people even don't know these terminologies. So we are going to understand each and every digital marketing basics, what tools that we are going to use, and what are the use cases of each and every important elements of digital marketing. And this is what we are going to cover in day 2. And when it comes to day 3, we are going to identify the target audience, because digital marketing is all about selling a service or product to someone online. So without knowing our target audience, we cannot do anything. So that is what exactly we are going to learn in day 3. And then if we are doing any business, then probably we will be having the competitors, right? We are going to find our competitors and we are going to compare their trends, and then we do some analysis on their trends so that we can make our business much more better. And in day 4, we are going to set up a domain and hosting, which means we are going to start building a website. So before even building the website, we have to buy the name for our business online, right? And also we have to buy some space for our business in online, which means if we have a shop and if we have products, we will place all those products inside the shop, right? But in online, we have to place all those product images and then the data, the content, everything in a place, and that place is called hosting. So we are going to learn how we can set up a domain and hosting. And also we are going to make a use of the WordPress, where we are going to build the website. And then in day 5, we are going to learn about the WordPress website basics, which means if you doesn't know what is a WordPress, how are you going to know the basics? So after we install the WordPress, we will understand very clear picture about the WordPress. Now while we are starting to create a website, how are we going to apply the themes and what plugins that we have to install to get the additional functionality to our website, how we can design multiple pages inside the website, and once anybody who accesses our website, what needs to be displayed on the top of our website. We will talk about the menu and other details. It is not just talking, we are going to go everything in practical. And finally, in day 6, we are going to talk about how we can write the content, how we can add the images, how we can upload the videos to a simple WordPress website, and how we can completely customize the WordPress website in the way that we want. And once we complete all those in the first week, at the very final day of week 1, in the day 7, we are going to completely practice what we have learned in the first 6 days, and then we will do the revision. And also, if you have any questions in the entire week, you can make a note of it, then I'm going to answer each and every question, which is really important. And in the same way, when it comes to week 2, we are going to build some of the core digital marketing skills. Now there is nothing much I can talk about what is on page and off page SEO, something like that, because without you knowing about what is SEO, we cannot talk much more about on-page and off-page SEO. But for now, I will give you a very small example. Whatever that we do on the website to bring our website onto the top of the Google search engine results page can be called as on-page SEO, and whatever that we do outside the website just to bring our website to be on the top of the Google search engine results page can be called as off-page SEO. I know that a lot of people did not understand this particular thing. But in classes, we are going to go very slowly, and then we are going to learn everything very carefully. So I'm going to scroll down a little bit about this course curriculum. I want you to have a look at this particular thing, and I want you to take a screenshot. And if you have any questions, you can directly call and ask, or maybe you can directly email. So once we have learned everything which is really needed to be fluent in digital marketing, and that is the time in the final week, we are going to completely prepare ourselves to get a job, which means job support and the complete support for whatever the things that you have learned in digital marketing. And always remember, each and every day right after you have completed the topic, I will be helping you to prepare your resume points. So every day you will be having 5 to 10 points that you can build your resume, which will be very helpful, so that anytime you attend any job interview, if the interviewer picked any one of the point in the resume, you will be having a very clear picture about what point that he is talking about and how you can answer about that particular point or topic. And then as usually we will be having the mock interviews, and then I will be providing each and every digital marketing interview questions to you in the form of a notebook, so that you can clear the interviews 50% blindly. And also we will be even building the professional profile on the LinkedIn, which will be very useful and which will be pretty much considered by the hiring panel of any MNC company. And this is all about the 30 days digital marketing classes that I'm going to take. And finally, after completing the course, even you are going to get a course completion certificate. And then every time I will be supporting you in getting your job, or maybe to start your own business. And if you have any questions related to this particular digital marketing course curriculum of 30 days, I want you to call us, I want you to email us, and I want you to join in the next batch, which will be very helpful. Just 30 days is so simple that you can set your career and you can start a new job with a very good package. Thank you so much.